Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on my video. Today I'll be showing you how I use castor oil and aloe vera to grow my eyebrows and lashes. I've been using this now for about a year consistently and I've seen a huge growth on both. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you find this useful, please give it a like. So real quick before I start, I want to tell you a bit of the benefits of castor oil and aloe vera. Castor oil contains omega-6 essential fatty acids, vitamin E, as well as other vitamins and minerals which provide nutrition to the hair follicle and promote hair growth. Aloe vera is rich in amino acids. It contains protein, calcium, magnesium, zinc, vitamin A, vitamin B12. It also contains proteolytic enzymes which repair dead skin cells and promote hair growth. And the list goes on. Overall, guys, both of them are great for our skin and our hair. So you're going to need a washed aloe vera leaf, a bowl to mix. I have two because I made extra to store for later, a knife, a cutting board, and of course, castor oil. I got this one from Amazon. I will link it in the description box below if you are interested. Then a measuring spoon, and if you have some empty mascara containers, I got these from Amazon for the video. I just use old wash mascara tubes, works fine for me. This pack also comes with a lash tube that I did not end up using. First, you want to cut the aloe vera. I'm cutting a small piece because it's just for my lash tube. Just eyeball the aloe vera because you do want more castor oil than aloe vera. Then you want to cut the sides to slip the knife and cut along the skin very carefully. Then you're going to make small cuts to bring the gel out of the skin. Then you're going to chop the gel just like I'm doing here. I'm going to fast forward, guys, so it's going to look weird. And you guys can do this in the blender if you wish. It just gets a little too messy for me and it creates a lot of foam. So I think if you're doing a small amount, this is the best way to do it. So for the castor oil, I ended up putting a tablespoon, but later on you'll see me add more castor oil just because, like I said before, you want more oil than aloe vera. Then you're going to mix everything all together. Make sure you mix everything very well till you get a gooey kind of oily consistency, if that makes any sense. Then you're going to put the finished product in the tube. I actually did not end up using the cone it came with just because it was too thick for it to slide down the cone. But the tube actually had a pretty good opening and everything just went down pretty well. So here I'm just adding more oil like I said before. And this is a consistency that you guys are going to be looking for. An oily jelly type, but more oily like I said. Now I'm gonna add my dripper stopper. I don't know what it's called, but this is actually very important for the tube because it will clean the excess out of your mascara wand, and it will help you so you don't drench your eyes with oil, because you don't want any oil inside your eyeballs because it will hurt. Trust me, it will burn a little bit. Okay, I'm warning you, I'm gonna bring you up close and personal to my face. So yeah, this is what my eyebrows and my lashes look like. Like I said before, you have to be consistent for this to work. It's not gonna work if you do it for a couple of days and then stop and then again. Be consistent, guys, if you really want to see results. And I do this every single night. This is the last step to my nighttime skin routine. And This is something I just been doing for a while, where after I apply my toner all over my face, whatever is left over, I go over my eyebrows because I think the toner will help the oil penetrate better. I don't know, it's just a me thing, it's just what I do. So for my lashes, I do not apply aloe vera. I just apply the castor oil by itself because I don't like the sticky feeling of the aloe vera sticking my lashes together. Maybe you guys can try this out for yourself, see what works for you. I just take some straight from the bottle and I put 1 drop on top of my hand. Then with my ring finger, I apply very gently the oil on my top lashes and my bottom lashes. So yeah guys, this is what I do. Remember, just be consistent. I will link the oil and the containers in the description box below that I used if you guys are interested in buying them. I hope this was useful and I hope you guys give it a try. Also, if you are not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and give my video a like. Thank you guys. Bye bye.